Alright, it's December 30th, day 4 of bagging. This is what we have so far. We have 3 layers totally done. And we've started getting the dirt wet the day before we leave in the evening so that it's nice and wet the next day. It really helps cut down on how much mixing we have to do. So we have our 3 layers done. Next layer we're going to put in a bench and some electrical outlets and the support for the bathroom walls. That's the bench right there. Hopefully you'll see that completed in just a few seconds. This is the outline for the bathroom, the rough idea so far. It's a pretty good size. We'll fit a shower and a toilet and a sink in there. Probably not much else. And then the loft will be directly above that.
It's Saturday, January 31st, 2011. We started another row. We've got the bench platforms put in. We've got electrical outlets put in. Didn't quite get finished with the 4th level. Someone had enough and she said it was time to go. So she's the boss, aren't you? You're the boss. Carla's the boss. She called it a day, it's a day.